Grace, and I'm representing Skyline High School. And today I'm creating a sweet, delicious, creamy, and power-packed smoothie. Here is what you need to make this delicious treat. You will need a spoon for mixing, a butter knife for cutting, measuring spoons, a measuring cup, a piping bag, a cup, a cutting board, and a blender. And as always, safety first, so when you're cutting, make sure you have an adult around to help you. And you will need 1/4 cup of peas, 1/4 cup of Greek non-fat plain yogurt, 1/4 cup of pineapple, mangoes, strawberries, and peaches, and 1/4 cup of ice, 1 plain strawberry, and 1/8 cup of vanilla extract. And now that you have your smoothie in your piping bag, you just want to pour it into your cup.